Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital sticker using Google Drawings. So what I did was I Googled Google Drawings, clicked on the link, and I end up here. I start by going to File, and I select Page Setup, and I go down to Custom, change that setting to 3x3. Okay, that's the size that I'm going to make the sticker. From there, I want to go to the Bitmoji and search for circle. So I just type it in and I select any of those. I click and drag it. Just kind of place it where I want it to go. Go back to Google and type in text giraffe. This is where I'm going to get my little logo. I select the one I wanted. I went down to summer because I liked that one, and I had already previously made one, so I selected awesome work. And I download the logo. This is what it's going to look like. I normally do the micro logo. Then I click and drag it onto my desktop. Take that and then click and drag it onto my sticker and just kind of adjust it. You can resize it, place it wherever you want to place it. You can tilt it. I kind of just leave it going straight and adjust it to the size of the sticker. So I forgot to rename it up here, but from here you'll go to the file and download it as a PNG. For some reason I couldn't find it. There it is. Download it as a PNG and it'll come down on the bottom. It'll show, and I just dragged it into my Google Drive. I have a folder ready for it. And it saves there. Here, since I didn't rename, I didn't put a title, I was able to rename it here. So I put awesome work, and this is my second sticker, so put number 2. So to test it out, I opened up a doc and just go to Insert, go to Image, and you go to your Google Drive, and your most recent should be there, and just slide it in, and there you go.